Oh man, you're crack-a-lacking.
Yeah. Oh, it's recording.
Yeah.
Let's get this party started.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and this is my lovely, beautiful, smart, and talented daughter, Haley, aka...
Add on every time.
I know, right? How many things can I add in there?
YouTuber.
It's like positive thoughts,
yeah.
Positive energy. We bounce it.
Yeah.
Bounce it.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Good.
Happy, smart, kind. Whoop, whoop.
Thanks, Mom. I have to sneeze.
Again?
Yeah,
You got 3 last time. Can you do 4 this time?
No, I don't know if this one will even go.
We forgot the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, hi. Welcome to our channel, or my channel. But she is making guest appearance on the channel. She has 2 channels of her own. They'll be linked down in the description box below. Oh, thumbnail. They'll be linked in the description box below. Love Haley and Life with Love Haley. So I think is the name of. We have. To
I keep
check
forgetting.
that.
I made 2 different ones. I made Living with Love Haley and Life with Love Haley.
Oh my gosh, you have 3?
Well, I have like look how many. Oh, this is my email, but this isn't even on my YouTube accounts. It's Life with Love Haley is what it is.
There you go. And then, of course, I have a second vlog channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where I put keto-related content up there and then family-related content up there as well. But today's video, now that we're like 2 minutes in almost, is our Sephora Play. Haley's opening hers, and I'm getting sidetracked. It's our Sephora Play unboxing.
This is all I'm looking at. I'm just looking at the Sephora bingo.
So, let me get mine open.
Wait, can I read some of these? They're really funny. Went in for 1 lipstick, left with 5. Tried Color IQ and found the perfect foundation match. Booked a free in-store skincare mini service. Checked package tracking 20 times a day. Stopped by the store just for lash applications. Stockpiled beauty insider points. Traveled with bags of samples. BFF with beauty ambassadors. Memorized store hours by heart. Have dry shampoo in bathroom, office, and car. Have achieved step goals while shopping. Lipstick marks on every glasses. False eyelash glue in purse. Texted by a friend for skincare advice. Mastered a smoky eye at free in-store class. Different fragrance for each day of the week. Won't let a shade go unswatched. Have more palettes than matching socks. Never left a store without a sample. Wore 3 masks at once. Have a 9-step skincare routine. Expert at making dewy or matte complexions. Not afraid of a peel. Skipped happy hour and went to Sephora.
Okay guys, so what Sephora Play is a monthly subscription service. It's $10 and with tax 60 cents. And you do a little profile. Oh my gosh, you got something in there that I really wanted, and you...
Wait, what?
The middle, top middle. Anyways, it's a subscription service.
We have one of these already. I'm just saying, we do.
It's a subscription service. Let's just get into it. She's got some fabulous things.
It's $10 a month, and it's based off your beauty preferences. Let's get this, boy. First thing is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base. Why do I have glitter on me? Where'd that come from?
I have no clue.
Did that come from my bag? I don't know. It's a primer. It's a smoothing primer. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so my item is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I actually have one of these. I don't remember if I really truly loved it or liked it, whatever, but I have some upstairs, so that's the first item.
That's very smoothie. Okay, I have the same Clinique Prep Start Eye Cream.
Okay, so my next item is the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing. Oh, Tootsies again.
Oh, is it my turn here? My next item is the Christoph
Robin. What is this? A shampoo?
Cleaning volumizing paste.
For your hair?
I guess. I think so.
I don't like stuff like that. I feel like that should just be included when I purchase something from Sephora, not in my Sephora Play bag. But that's just me. Okay, so I also got the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Primer. Do you guys want a close-up of this? It may not focus because we're all up in here. There you go. Boom.
Focus on me.
And then here's this don't know if it focused. Sorry, guys. Do you really like this one? I'm just so tired. I can't. I'm just so tired.
Okay, my next item. Man, we're really like going through this.
Are you kidding me?
Quickly. Oh, we got the same one.
Dude, did they even look at our profiles?
Big or black or badder. Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara.
Can you focus, sir, ma'am?
Player. A beauty connoisseur with a keen sense of adventure.
What's your next item?
Oh, my last item.
Oh my goodness. I legit got the exact same bag thus far.
Yeah, we got the same bag. Our bags are the same. Scam! Tea! Spilled.
Well, I wanted this,
Yeah,
though.
she wanted this, so that's fine.
Wow,
Because
that's
our
weird.
profiles are completely opposite.
Totally different. Like,
But I guess this is all versatile for people though. Like makeup remover, everyone uses makeup remover who uses makeup pretty much. Everyone probably uses hair stuff. Mascara, everyone uses mascara, I would assume. Primers, skincare, you know, like it's stuff everyone would use. Maybe just everyone got the whole same bag this whole month.
do you guys get the Sephora play bag? I know, that is a lot. I just put it on and it's really hydrating. I like the,
I still don't know where the glitter came from.
I
like that they screw on.
Yeah. I don't know, what are your thoughts?
It was good.
Yeah, I think it was good. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed because the whole purpose of these unbaggings are like the verses.
Verses, yeah.
But so, and like we said in our Ipsy glam bag, sorry I'm boring her again.
No, I'm tired.
You know, we have completely different hair, yeah, opposite skin tone, opposite things that we like as far as makeup goes.
I like everything.
Well, I mean, I like everything, but I don't like bold blue colors. And obviously, if you guys watched today's video, which...
Oh, I saw the thumbnail. I didn't know if it was from today's video or not, but I got on YouTube today, and it was blue, and I was like, whoa!
Yeah.
Man.
I was trying.
It was good. I liked it. From what I saw, I didn't watch a video.
I think I'm going to keep trying these kind of videos. It was kind of fun, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed because, like I said, the whole fun of these videos is to see
who gets the better bag based off their
profile
preferences. Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyways, I don't think it was a horrible bag. I'll definitely play around with everything. But like I said, these kind of things, I feel like this is stuff that you get when you gift with purchase.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, something good about things like this though. On vacation, what I took to wash my hair was the sample shampoo and conditioner that I get.
That's true.
It's so easy. It's so easy.
Okay. Well, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. Hailey has to run out.
I'm going to go paint my room.
So that we're just going to go ahead and end it here. We're not going to do a notification squad shout out. But you know I like to do those, so whether you follow me on my community tab, make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the postings there. Click those notification bells so you don't miss every time that I upload a video. Like I said, check my description box down below for Hailey's channel and my other channel as well. Big shout out to my Patreons. Thank you guys so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. We didn't do a...
Yes, we did.
A thumbnail?
Because you were like, we didn't do a thumbnail. And then I started posing, and I'm like, and then you're like, okay.